My name is HIREMATH. I have completed my BE in Computer Science and Engineering from Hirashima Institute of Technology in Sosi in the year 2022 with the aggregate of 8.5 CGPA, and I have completed my 10th standard in KL School Goka with a CGPA of 9, and I have completed my 12th standard in SLJ PU College with the aggregate of 82.16. I have joined JSpiders in the month of 5th September 2022, and it was the best decision I have made in my life because after my engineering, I have no job and all. I have to grow my career. So my friend suggested JSpiders Hebbal, and I have joined JSpiders Hebbal on the 5th September 2022. And here I learned. I was doing a course on full stack Java development, and I have learned core Java, SQL, web technology. And I especially thank Anupam ma'am and Rahul sir for teaching me very well, and Akshay sir and Umashankar sir for taking SQL. And here the environment is very good, and all that faculties and HRs are supportive, and they keep supporting. And I thank all HRs and the team, that is Pradeep sir, Akshay, Adarsh sir, and Shivu sir, and Harish sir. So I thank and I suggest all the students who are need of career growth and all who are needing opportunity to get the IT sectors, they can join JSpiders and they can enhance their knowledge. And I thank JSpiders team for giving me. Before I have been selected in the company named Health Tech Solutions, and they were 4 rounds. The first was aptitude, and the second was technical first, the third was technical 2, and fourth was HR. And before going to the interviews, the JSpiders had given me grooming, where they taught us and brushed up the things which were most likely to be asked in the interview. So I thank all the faculties and the team of JSpiders for this, and I have been selected only because of JSpiders team. Thank you, JSpiders and team.